Hi guys, my name is Albert Eramoselli. Now I'm going to show you some cool stuff you can do with Windows PowerShell, the new terminal introduced by Microsoft. Guys, I so much love this terminal. There's a lot of things you can do on this terminal. Like for example, look at this. You can rename each of the tabs in this terminal by just double clicking on it and give the terminal a name. The same applies to these guys. And once you right click on this terminal, there's some cool stuff you can do. Like you can decide to change the color of the tab to any color you want, just to differentiate this tab from the other tab you have open. And some other things you can do on this terminal that I so much love. You can split just one tab into two different tabs. Now, let me show you what I mean, guys. By just clicking on split tab, excellent. So you have another tab here. Your one tab contains two tabs. What a cool feature. So you can be doing your normal things like, let's say for example, I want to navigate to my next frame and I want to start up my virtual environment. Activate. Just want to check my Git status. Oh, these are some cool stuff I can do, and I can come back to this side and say, okay, guys, you know what? I need to migrate out of this site or get the directory of my content. Excellent. I need to move these cool guys out of this place. Okay, let's do it then. Let's move items, guys. We move items. Let me move it to the document section. Now let me select the items I want to move. This time is output. Move items. We have output. Oh, sorry guys, I'm not in the current directory. Let's check this again. Now let's say for example you want to move an item to a specific location using terminal. One thing you can do is you can use your move command. Move item, select your path. I'm working on the current path. Now I'm selecting the output file, output.xlxx. That is the extension of the file. Where am I moving it to? That is the destination. If you want to, I'm moving it to still the current path, but moving it to my document folder. Then when I click enter, let me give a verbose so that you guys will see exactly what is happening. I click on my verbose. Oh, I got an error. So I have no file called output.xlx. Let's check this out, guys. So I have ls. I have a file called output. I'm gonna check this out. Have acres. For one or two reasons, I don't know why it's not seeing the output file here. But let me leave this guy and let us use another file, for example. Let's just to demonstrate this. You type your move item command, your path if you need. I can specify my local path here. And I said, okay, let me go with the acre files. This is the files I want to move. Now, what is the destination I want to move it to? I want to move it to the current destination by specifying full stop. Now, I want to move it to the document folder. Then you specify your document folder. And let me give you a verbose so that you see exactly what is happening. Then I click enter. Whoa, you see, the file has been moved to the destination. Now let's do a quick ls. The file is out here, it's not here. So I can navigate to my CD document. Now I want to go to this document and find out exactly if the file is inside the document. I click on enter. Now ls to list my document. Interesting, we have the file here. And there's one cool stuff you can do with the terminal. You can launch the file right from the terminal here without going through your file explorer to open this application. Yeah, this is what I mean. Let me show you guys. Just start acres and you click on enter. Notice what happened. Cool stuff. Bam! Microsoft, your terminal will launch out the application for you. Excellent. And that is why I love working with terminals. With this new terminal, you can customize your terminal to suit your need. Let me show you some cool stuff you can do. Click on this drop down arrow. For example, you can install your Azure Cloud Shell. You can install your developer command prompt for VS Code. You can also install your Ubuntu virtual machine, which runs everything on just one terminal. Now, let's say, for example, I click on my Ubuntu. You see, I have my separate Ubuntu, separate from my own Windows terminal I have. Yeah, excellent. Let's go. Now, he wants to install my Ubuntu, but I'm not interested in him installing my Ubuntu. So, I'm just going to exit my instruction, Ctrl D, to exit and go out of that. But this is just to demonstrate that with this new Windows terminal, you can have other terminals integrated into it and you can do some other cool stuff that you want to do. Now, lastly, guys, let me show you one cool thing about this terminal that you can do. Just go to the settings of your terminal, and you have some cool stuff you can do here. Just play around these guys and see how you can make these changes to your terminal. Let's say, for example, the one I use most of the time is when terminal starts, always open Windows from the previous session. So I don't want to lose all my sessions. I still want to maintain my sessions once I logged into my terminal, or I log into my system and launch my terminal, my sessions still appear. And that is one of the cool stuff you can do. Set it up so that when you launch your terminal, you have your cool stuff. So guys, this is just a brief intro about the terminal and some of the cool stuff you can do with it. If you want to download this terminal, it is very easy. What you just need to do is just to go to your store, your Microsoft Store, wait for it to launch. Go here and search for terminal. Now, this is the Windows terminal. I have my install, but if you don't have your own install, you can just go ahead and click install. Oh, fortunately for me, I have an update. So let me just go ahead and run the update. So guys, this is how you install Windows terminals on your machines. If you're a system admin, you need these guys for work. If you're a developer, you also need this guy for work. It makes your work more faster, more efficient, and more proficient. See you guys next time. Thank you. Still remain Albert Eromoselli. Bye for now.